Hey, welcome back to Revenge of the Show. First time here, subscribe, like, help out so I can keep doing this. So I got a new kit. I'm not reviewing an old kit. Little tight on money these days. But this is the new Razor Crest from Bandai. So what did I pay for this? And I got this at Target. I paid $9.20. No, those are for cheese doodles. I paid $16.59 for this kit. $16. So it was the last one on the shelf. You know, it's like if you go to Target's website, you'll see it. You know, it said there was two. There's only actually one when I went there and found it. So let's open the box. Who's in the box? So here we go. One plastic model kit. No glue required. Colored plastic. Kit number 018, Bandai. Guess there's going to be one more season to the show. Hopefully it's going to be pretty good. I did enjoy it. Everything all in one place. Directions. Oh, and then there's some stuff inside the box. Okay. Says there's decals in this kit. And well, that's very interesting that my kit, oh, for a moment there I thought there was no instructions in the box, but here they are on the box, in the box. I mean, this is a very small kit. This is a very small cat. You're gonna have to so let's open this up. One baggie. Here's the base. Here is the kit, and you can see the comparison to a cat. It's some really nice small detail. The engines look really, really nice. Some really small things. It looks like those are laser cannons of some sort, maybe. Sides. The bottom was shipped. I mean, that's really, really nice. just for the heck of it, I'll show you how well Bandai stuff goes together. Not looking at any of the directions at the moment, so let's say you put this sucker together. I don't know how hard it is to get it apart, but you know, there is the seam line in the back. I mean, not much of a seam line. You know, they seem to be stickers to me. If they're decals on this kit, that would be awesome, because I'm not using stickers. I don't know. We'll see. If these are decals, that's awesome. If they're stickers, it's not awesome. So I'm not going to use decals. So out of 11, because
these go to 11.
That's one of my favorite movies. I'm going to give this kit, you know, a 10. You know, it's really, really small. If you're looking for something that's really, really small, put on your shelf and stuff like that, not a very difficult build. I mean, this is right up your alley. If there's not decals included in this kit, I can't give it an 11. Otherwise, I would, you know, because everything on this otherwise is fantastic. So thanks, like and subscribe. Hope that helped you decide if you want to buy this kit or not. I mean, it is a really, really, really nice kit. And hopefully bigger Razor Crest will be coming out soon. Bye-bye.